What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to have a camera performance comparison between Huawei Mate 40 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So we will see some samples captured in different camera modes on these two smartphones and we will see that which device performs better under what condition. We will also talk about the different camera features, video recording capability, and you will decide by yourself which device is better to suit your needs. On the left hand side there will be the image captured on Huawei Mate 40 Pro, and on the right side you will find the images captured on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All of these images are captured without using the AI enhancement feature on both of these smartphones. So let's start our test and let's see which device is better when it comes to camera performance. When it comes to zoom, performance of Huawei Mate 40 Pro is way better compared to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, whether it's the images or the videos. In the regular photo mode, the camera performance of Huawei Mate 40 Pro is a bit better compared to Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It captures more detail, the exposure is better, and also the dynamic range and the color reproduction is more realistic compared to what we get from Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In the macro mode and close-up shots, the performance of Huawei Mate 40 Pro once again is a bit better compared to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It captures more detail, the dynamic range and exposure is also a bit better along with the color reproduction. But just like the regular photo mode, the difference is not too much. When it comes to low light imaging, the performance of Mate 40 Pro is once again a bit better compared to Note 20 Ultra in both the regular mode and the night mode. As you can see, it captures more light and the details are a bit better compared to Note 20 Ultra. Also in the night mode, you can see that most of the time performance of Note 20 Ultra is a bit lower compared to Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Now talking about the panorama shots, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is better compared to the Huawei Mate 40 Pro as the field of view is comparatively very huge what we get from the Mate 40 Pro, and also the detail we get is a bit better compared to Mate 40 Pro as well. When it comes to front-facing camera, the very first thing I would like to mention that Mate 40 Pro comes with a wide-angle front-facing camera and it also got the ultra-wide-angle lens that is not available on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So as you can see that field of view of Mate 40 Pro is way better compared to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And from the next images, I zoomed in the pictures captured on Mate 40 Pro a bit to look equal in terms of dimension with the pictures captured on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So as we can see here, the dynamic range is way better on Mate 40 Pro, but the color is a bit on the cooler side, while the images captured on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra are a bit warmer and it changes my color tone a bit. Also, as you can see that the dynamic range is not great and most of the part in the background is just washed out. Because of the cooler color temperature on the Mate 40 Pro, the colors are slightly changed. For example, the t-shirt here I'm wearing is actually black, but in the Mate 40 Pro it looks a bit bluish. So the color temperature of both Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Huawei Mate 40 Pro is not accurate. One is a bit more on the cooler side and one is a bit more on the warmer side. But if you're talking about the quality, Mate 40 Pro is way better when it comes to detailing and the dynamic range. In the low light for the front-facing camera, the performance of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a bit better compared to Mate 40 Pro. But here in this picture that I captured with flash, this time the color is more accurate in the Mate 40 Pro because the t-shirt I'm wearing is blue, but Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra showed it as black. In the HDR mode, once again the performance of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a bit better compared to Mate 40 Pro, as the dynamic range is a bit better and it captures more detail compared to Mate 40 Pro here. Now talking about the video recording, both of these smartphones can record 4K resolution videos at 60 fps, and the performance of Huawei Mate 40 Pro is way better compared to Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It captures great amount of detail, the stabilization is very nice, the 15x zoom is very impressive compared to the 10x zoom we got on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra comes with 8K resolution video recording that is not available on Huawei Mate 40 Pro. So 8K resolution video recording is not something that you are going to use in your daily life. So overall, in terms of video recording capability and performance, Mate 40 Pro is the winner here. And talking about the video recording from the front-facing camera, as I mentioned, the front-facing camera comes with ultra-wide-angle lens on Huawei Mate 40 Pro. It captures good amount of detail and all, but the dynamic range is quite bad. And this is where the performance of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is better. It captures great amount of detail. The dynamic range on the front-facing camera video recording is great on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but the wide-angle feature is not available and the field of view is quite limited. In terms of camera modes and user interface, Huawei Mate 40 Pro comes with few additional and very useful features. For example, the light painting that allows you to capture pro level images without having the in-depth knowledge of photography and the pro settings. The story creation allows you to create some stylish small video clips for the social media, and the dedicated monochrome mode with pro settings is an additional feature that you won't find on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. While everything available on Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is also available on Huawei Mate 40 Pro. So which device is better when it comes to camera performance considering your requirements and necessities? The Huawei Mate 40 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra? Feel free to share your opinion and feedback in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.